How to make lazy fits look good. What's good, everybody? And in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to make your lazy fits look good. It's kind of in the title, okay? The first tip here is to find sweats that are wide leg and baggy, or some of the sorts, or at least just not tight fitting at the end or cuffed, because those are the worst type of sweats. Okay, I'm putting y'all on game. Never get those type of sweats. Those sweats suck. Okay, because the point is to make sure the fit looks laid back but also not doing too much. So when it comes to accessories, try at least like one or two chains or jewelries, pieces like that. If you don't wear rings, don't wear a lot of rings. At least you can wear rings, but don't wear a lot. Stick with that. But when it comes to accessorizing, this kind of blends into number 3, because I'm saying get fitted tees, okay? But plain fitted tees, like black ones. See, you get the black here the peep the vision, black fitted tee. You get your jewelry, okay? You could wear a chain, or maybe a nice what's it called? A rosary. That's but yeah, that could really get the fit together. But a nice fitted tee that matches your proportions. The next step is to make sure your shoe wear is relatively comfortable but doesn't look ugly, you know what I mean? Like, don't pull up wearing the sweats with the Crocs. You know, I mean, personally, I've never been a big fan of Crocs. So pair that with sweats, it's just a little but oh god, imagine it with cuffed sweats. That's a lazy fit. Let me tell you something. This next step is a helpful tip, because if you're wearing those sweats, I've low-key seen this. I've seen this before. You can sag minimally. And actually, you know what? Let's stay on this topic. I've seen a lot of people say that sagging looks dumb, but not gonna lie, when you do it minimally, and it works with some outfits, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it kind of adds to the proportions of your outfit. Like, it just makes it look better. Like, some people will just never understand. But now, if it's a bit on the colder side, you can obviously lean into the plain hoodies, plain sweaters, or something I would recommend, long sleeves that have kind of the collared button ones. I have one that's white, but I would recommend the pattern ones. Like, maybe you got a white one that has like black stripes on it. I've seen that one on Pinterest before. But yeah, there's all different other types of ones. I've seen one that was blue stripes. I see the vision. Yeah, do it. But yeah, honestly, I just gave you the blueprint to make a lazy fit look good. Really just put effort into making it look minimal effort looking. It's weird game. I don't know. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Yeah, I'll catch you all next time.